So now we are going to learn in the quadratic equations today how to find out the formula to find the roots of the quadratic equation, and derivation means proof of the formula to find the roots of the quadratic equation, and to prove that we are going to use the completing square method. Completing square method use करते हैं, and that let us learn here. Okay, proof of proof of the formula to find the roots of quadratic equation. So this is the thing. So let the quadratic equation as ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where a is not equals to 0. So a not equals to 0 should be taken, otherwise it is not called as a quadratic equation. So do remember that. So now here in the completing square method, what can we do? So first thing, you have to make the first term as a perfect square. So to make this as a perfect square, a should be multiplied here. A should be multiplied to the total equation. So what do you get here? A into ax square plus bx plus c and a into g. Why a only to be multiplied? If you multiply a here, a square x square you are going to get. Okay? Suppose if you are having any quadratic equation with 8x square plus some 2x plus 5 you are having. So to make 8 as a perfect square, what to do? 2 should be multiplied because 16 is a perfect square. So 8 to the 16. To make it as a perfect square, what number can be multiplied? That number. If you are not able to get it, the same number you multiply. 8 है तो 8 multiply करो 64 हो जाएगा, वो भी perfect square. But that perfect square to be taken into consider the least one. Least one to be taken into consider. So now what you get here? A square x square plus abx. Yes. What happened? क्या हुआ? Is there any problem? Is it audible and visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now here a square x square abx plus ac is equals to 0. So now here after writing that, you write this as a perfect square. Ax whole square. After writing that, see, we need to take this into the perfect square, means completing square method means what is the formula of a plus b whole square? A plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. So a square बोलो तो ये a square ना, but in the place of a what do you have? ax is there. So next to 2ab term to be taken. 2ab में 2 लिखो compulsory. Compulsory you need to write the 2. Then after what is there in the place of a you write ax. Here whatever it is there that should be written. But we are having abx. This one 2ax also. So next what term if you are having here, you will get this as abx. ये है b तो होना है, but 2 extra है तो 2 नहीं होना है तो डिवाइड कर. Now you simplify this one, 2 and 2 will get cancel abx only. abx को मैंने लिखा है 2ab फॉर्म में लिखा है in this form. Next what b square. So b का place में what do you have here? In the place of b by 2 is there. So b by 2 means that b by 2 square add करो. Add b by 2 square. As we are adding, we need to subtract that compulsory. Now this one became as a complete square. A square plus 2ab plus b square form में है. A square plus 2ab plus b square form में. We are added this one and subtracted. Still extra we are having ac here is equals to 0. So now what to do here? This is complete square and these two terms let us take to the right side. So what do you get here? Ax whole square plus, so this completely can be written as a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. So ax plus b by 2 whole square. The two terms you take to the right side. So b by 2 whole square minus ac. B by 2 whole square minus ac. So now here from this what to do? Square extracted. So this one's right hand side simplified. So what do you get here? B square minus 4ac by 4. ये समझ में आया? ये directly लिखा हूँ. So if you get confused, you can take the one more step also. B square by 4 minus ac by 1. LCM कर लिया तो 4 आ जाएगा. B square minus 4ac. So now here ax plus b by 2 whole square है this one. We need ax plus b by 2 because x value चाहिए हमको. तो any number square is equal to this one means square हटा दिया तो what do you get? Is it visible to you here? इधर दिखाई दे रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What do you write here? Ax plus b by 2 is equals to plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2. इसका स्क्वायर रूट आ जाएगा. इधर स्क्वायर है ना a plus b ये ax plus b by 2 whole square. इधर स्क्वायर हटा दिया तो इधर स्क्वायर रूट आ जाएगा. Actually you are going to get complete by 4. So now what you can write this one? A minus b by 2 to take to the right side. So what do you get here? ये इधर माइनस प्लस b by 2 है, इधर आया तो माइनस b by 2 है. तो ax is equals to minus b by 2 plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2. So दोनों में 2 हो गया है. Then you can write this as a ax is equals to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2. And we need x. So ये को इधर लेके आओ. So what do you get? X is equals to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So this is a formula to find out the roots of the quadratic equation. One is minus b, two roots are there. One is minus, one root is minus b plus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Another one is minus b minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So these are the two roots we are going to get. So this is a way of finding the roots. To do this one, what method we have adopted, you know? To do this, we have taken completing square method. This method is only called completing square method. Here what we did, in the same way, any problem to solve. Yes. Any doubt? कोई कुछ पूछ रहे हैं? Someone is saying something. सुनाई दे रहे सबको?
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
understand how do we find out the roots of the quadratic equation? Using the completing square method. Method of completing square बोलते हैं. So actually we adopted the method of completing square to find the formula. This is the formula. This you have to remember. The formula बोले तो ये x is equals to directly if the quadratic equation is given. If you are not in a position to factorize, sometimes there may not be possibility to factorize the given quadratic equation. Quadratic equation को factorize नहीं कर सकते हैं, मैंने बोला है. So that situation you need to take into the formula. Our completing square method can be taken into consideration. Okay? समझ में आया? So this is a proof for finding the formula. So इधर ये problem सर ऐसे ही करना पड़ता है, दूसरा method है. Yes, another method is there. What to do here? Here I have multiplied a. Instead of multiplying a, you can divide by a. By dividing by a also you can proceed in the same way. then also you are going to get the same answer. Did you get my point? Okay, so you try the problem by division, dividing the given quadratic equation. One problem let us see like that also. एक प्रॉब्लम हम लोग देखते हैं ऐसा करके, मींस प्रॉब्लम देखते हैं, प्रॉब्लम करते हैं, एक प्रॉब्लम by multiplying, एक प्रॉब्लम by dividing also. In the both the methods we will do the formulas. Now let us go for the exercise number 4.2. So exercise 4.2 में फर्स्ट बिट देखो, first problem if you see that 2x square minus 7x, 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equals to 0. Here the question is given to you to find out the roots of this quadratic equation by the method of completing square. By the method of completing square. So to find it using the completing square method, actually you see that is it possible to you to factorization method? Factorization method में possible है? Yes, it is possible in a factorization method. 3 2s are 6 plus 6 आया, 6 factors क्या है? 1 6 is 6. 1 and 6 ऐड कर दिया तो 7 आ जाएगा, -1 -6 ले जाना है. Factorization method में करना चाहते हैं तो then I will do it a little bit faster way. 2x square minus 1x minus 6x plus 3 is equals to 0. From this x common we know. So if you are taking the x common, x if you are taking common, 2x minus 1 you will get. Minus 3 if you take the common, 2x minus 1 you will get. So 2x minus 1 into x minus 3 is equals to 0. So from this 2x minus 1 is equals to 0, or x minus 3 is equals to 0. So x is equals to 1 by 2, or x is equals to 3. 3 is the one root, 1 by 2 is the another root. This is factorization method. Same thing, completing square method let us see. Same problem, completing square method. In the completing square method, what to do here? The given equation is having 2 here. इसको perfect square बनाना. 2 है तो 2 से multiply करो. So 2 से multiply करो. 2 into 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equals to 2 into 0. Now 2 से multiply करते हैं तो 4x square हो जाएगा. Minus 2 into 7, 14x plus 6 is equals to 2 into 0 is 0. Now this can be written as 2x whole square. So here the main thing you need to do. इधर आने के बाद क्या करना है in a completing square method? This is actually problem for this exercise. Only this one you need to do. This extra I told you because one problem can be solved in factorization if it is possible. Completing square method using formula also I will tell you. One problem. Okay, only one problem I will tell you. So now here completing square method में क्या करना है? पहला टर्म को perfect square के जैसा लिखना है. First term. Then after what you write here? Minus 2 compulsory लिखना है. Because this term to be written in the form of 2ab, where a is equals to 2x. This term should be written in the form of 2ab, where a is equals to 2x. So 2 into 2x. Now 4x हो गया है. So here what should be there? To make this term, ये थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन होता है तो सिंपल है. आप ये इसको इससे डिवाइड करो. 14x को 4x से डिवाइड करो. ये टर्म डिवाइडेड बाय here whatever you have written. x will get cancel. You will get 7 by 2. इधर 7 by 2 लिखो. अब देखो ये 14x हो जाएगा. देखो ये 2 cancel होगा. 7 to the 14, 14x. I have written 14x only. This is 14x only, but this 14x I have written in another way, 2ab form. इधर b का प्लेस में क्या आया? What you got here in the b place? 7 by 2. 7 by 2 whole square to be added and subtracted. Okay? 7 by 2 whole square. b by 2 whole square we are added and subtracted now. In the finding the formula find out करते समय. So in the same way, 7 by 2 whole square add करो, 7 by 2 whole square subtract करो. Why 7 by 2 only sir? B का प्लेस में 7 by 2 है. Now it is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now extra plus 6 is there, that 6 you have to write here. This is method, one method, completing square method. So now here what you can write this one, 2x, a minus b whole square form में है, इधर minus है. So 2x minus 7/2 whole square, ये दोनों टर्म्स को राइट साइड लेके जाओ, 7/2 whole square minus 6. इसको सिंप्लीफाई करो. So what do you get here, 749 minus 49/4 minus 6/1. So here you get 49 minus 6 4 the 24. So you will get 25/4. So whole square is equal to 25/4. Square हटा दिया तो 2x minus 7/2 is equals to plus or minus under root of 25/4 आया. So what you get here from this, 2x minus 7/2 is equals to plus or minus 5/2. Root 25 is equals to 5. Root 4 is equals to 2. So 5/2. So yes, minus 7/2 right side लेके जाना है. 2x is equals to plus 7/2 plus or minus 5/2. So what do you get here? 2x is equals to 7 plus or minus 5/2. और 2 को इधर लेके आओ. X is equals to 7 plus or minus 5/4. So one root is x is equals to 7 plus 5/4. Another root is 7 minus 5/4. They are x is equals to 7 plus 5 12/4. Our x is equals to 7 minus 5 4. So 7 minus 5 2/2. So x is equals to 3. Our x is equals to 1/2. X is equals to 3 or 1/2. Factorization. Sir, factorization easy na? Factorization easy है because factorization possible. Where the factorization is not possible, completing square method में use करना है. ये ही same problem को आप formula use करके भी कर सकते हैं. Using the formula. Formula वाला इधर बोलता हूँ मैं. Formula में क्या करना है? C. A का प्लेस में क्या है? 2. B का प्लेस में -7. C 3. Now what you write here? X is equals to formula क्या है? minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Everyone have to remember. Recall this one. I will ask you at the end of the class. Minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay? So here, this is the formula. Minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So now what do you write here? Here, b का place में -7 है. Minus formula में है. In the b place -7. Plus or minus under root of b square -7 whole square 49 minus 4ac by 2 into a. So what do you get here? Plus 7 plus or minus under root of 49 minus 6 for the 24 by 4. 7 plus or minus 25. Under root of 25 बोले तो 5/4. देखो ये इधर आया, same आया. Because we have extracted this one using completing square method. So वही आ जाएगा. उस मेथड में क्या कर लिया वही आया. बट ये पूरा प्रूफ मान, इसमें क्या कर लिया वो प्रूफ की जैसा है. Okay, so now you get this one in simplify कर दिया तो what Devi, please off the mic and the camera also. कैमरा को भी ऑफ कर सकते हैं बेटा. Okay, so now here did you understand this one? Any doubt is there in this problem? किसी को डाउट है?
No, sir.
समझ में आया ना? समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us go for the next problem. One more problem let us take into consider. In that problem what do we do? Completing square method मांग रहे हैं. Formula method तो समझ में आया, simple substitute करना ही है और कुछ नहीं. Okay, so now here in this first bit only, actually the question is asking you to do only one method, either completing square method or formula. So you may get doubt, sir, in the exam if it is not asking anything, what to do? Your wish. If factorization possible, factorization करो. नहीं सर फॉर्मूला इजी है, फॉर्मूला याद रखेंगे, फॉर्मूला सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. That's your wish. If it is particularly mentioned to do the problem in completing square method, then you need to do it completing square method. So in the completing square method also, two ways you can do. Second problem, if you see that 2x, okay, I will take the third problem here. So third problem is 4x square plus 4 root 3 x plus 3 is equals to 0. So actually method क्या है? फर्स्ट टर्म को परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बनाना है. ऑलरेडी ये परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है, इसको नो नीड ऑफ मल्टीप्लाइंग एनीथिंग, नो नीड ऑफ डिवाइडिंग एनीथिंग. इस प्रॉब्लम समझ में आ रहा है ना? ऑलरेडी इट इज अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर, फर्स्ट टर्म आई एम सेइंग. सो दिस इज परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. हाउ डू यू साइड डायरेक्टली यू राइट 2x स्क्वायर. सो नो नीड ऑफ मल्टीप्लाइंग और डिवाइडिंग विद एनी नंबर. So 2x whole square हो गया है plus what to do? You know the method in this method first 2 लिखना है, उसके बाद दो ब्रैकेट है, ये है ये b है. ये का प्लेस में क्या है, ये इधर क्या है वो एज इट इज लिखना है. इधर क्या आना है वो लिखने के लिए क्या करना है? दिस टर्म यू डिवाइड बाय दिस वन. 4 root 3x by ये दोनों को डिवाइड करो 4x x कैंसिल root 3 आएगा. सो root 3 उसके बाद root 3 स्क्वायर को ऐड करो एंड root 3 स्क्वायर को सब्ट्रैक्ट करो. ये प्रॉब्लम एक्चुअली सिंपल है, दिखता है वेरी लेंथी है. देखो ये क्या होगा, ये कंप्लीट स्क्वायर, इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं 2x plus root 3 whole square. और ये क्या है -3 है, इधर +3 है, इज इक्वल्स टू 0. ये 0 हो गया. सो यू विल गेट 2x plus root 3 whole square is equals to 0. So that is nothing but x is equals to 2x plus root 3 is equals to 0 और 2x रिपीटेड रूट्स हो जाएगा. तो x is equals to minus root 3 by 2 or x is equals to minus root 3 by 2. Okay, did you understand? Now let us go for the fourth problem. Fourth problem में 2x square plus x plus 4 is equals to 0 here. In this one, in the first method what we did, इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. आप चाहे तो 2 से डिवाइड भी कर सकते हैं. You can do it. Let us do this problem by dividing. Okay, one problem, let us do it. So dividing by the 2 on both sides. 2 से डिवाइड कर दो. So what you can get, 2x square by 2, x by 2, 4 by 2, 0 by 2. 0 by 2 is every completely Left hand side is and right hand side both are divided by 2. So what do you get here? ये दोनों cancel हो जाएगा. X square x by 2 plus 2 is equals to 0. Now what to do? First term perfect square हो गया. पक्का 2 लिखना है. ऐसे ही लिखो ब्रैकेट्स. उसके बाद क्या करना है? इधर क्या है वो लेके आके इधर लिखना है. ओनली स्क्वायर नहीं, स्क्वायर का मींस ये स्क्वायर है. Without square, what is there that you have to write? See here, here also we read the same. इधर 2x है, इधर 2x लिख दिया. और ये b का प्लेस में क्या आना है वो पता करने के लिए this to be divided by this one. X by 2 divided by means divided by 2x. x by 2 को 2x से डिवाइड करो. 2x is nothing but 1 by 2. तो x by 2 into 1 by 2x. x by 4x. So 1 by 4 होगा. What do you get here? 1 by 4 you got. See here, if you simplify this, what do you get? You are going to get x by 2. Now what to do? 1 by 4 को add करना, 1 by 4 whole square को add करना है, and 1 by 4 whole square को subtract करना है. And don't forget to write this plus 2 here. See here, this term is here, this term is here. ये दोनों add करके subtract कर रहे extra, and ये term इधर आ गया, is equal to 0. But इसका format change हो गया. Okay? Now what to do here? Here to here it is a completed square. Square complete हो गया. So what to write now here? X square plus 1 by 4, sorry, x plus 1 by 4 whole square. X plus 1 by 4 whole square. And ये दोनों terms को right side लेके जाना है. 1 by 4 whole square लिखने को 1 by 60 minus है ना वो plus हो जाएगा. And minus. इसको LCM करो. What do you get here? Negative term you are going to get. Okay. In this equation, if you see that you are not going to get here 1 minus 1 minus 16 to the 32 होगा by 60. And if you see this problem, in this problem, here if you see that, what do you get? Minus 31 by 60. And if you see that x plus 1 by 4 whole square is equals to negative number, तो under root of negative is not possible. Negative number का root possible नहीं है. So इसका roots exist नहीं होता है. Sir, roots exist होता है नहीं होता है कैसे check कर सकते हैं? We can check that whether the roots are existing or not. Just checking the b square minus 4ac. We call it as a discriminant. So that we are going to learn in next nature of the roots topic. Nature of the roots topic में बोलते हैं. So now here if you see that any number का square, ये some number मान लो, any number का square negative आएगा, कुछ भी number ले, negative number ले लो, positive number ले लो. So not possible. So this which is not possible here. So which is not possible. So in this problem, roots does not exist. Roots not exist. अब ये किसी तरह आप फाइंड आउट करो, यू कैन नॉट फाइंड आउट द रूट्स. इसको रूट्स होता है, वो कैसे है ना, कॉम्प्लेक्स रूट्स बोलते हैं, इमेजिनरी रूट्स बोलते हैं, वो 11th क्लास में आप लोग सीखेंगे. Now till now we are going to learn about the only real numbers. So there is no real roots. Real numbers exist नहीं होगा because any real number का square negative number नहीं होगा. Any real number का square negative number नहीं होगा. So this is a way of factorization in another way of doing. Did you understand? Is it okay? Can you hear me properly?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
So now the remaining problems, whatever it is given to you in
Yes,
your
sir.
textbook, they are also not needed to you to do it. Okay. And third problem, find the roots of the following equations is given to you. सेकेंड बिट में क्या दे दिया, अप्लाइंग द, यही फॉर्मूलास को फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करके करने के लिए बोला। फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करके कैसे करना है, मैं ऑलरेडी आई showed you. So in this problem, what to do, these problems you do it, solve these problems in both the methods, completing square method and formula method, if exist होता है, इसमें exist नहीं हो रहा है, इधर exist हो रहा है, इसको भी formula method में करो, इधर ही करो नीचे, ये completing square method है और formula method use करो। So now let us go for the third problem, third bit in this. Next, let us go for the nature of the roots also. Nature of the roots is very simple. So third one, in this what is given, x minus 1 by x equal to 3. Find the roots of the following equations. First one is x minus 1 by x equal to 3. So ये quadratic equation ही नहीं है ना? It is not looking like a quadratic equation, but it is a quadratic equation. It's not looking like a quadratic equation, but it is quadratic equation. So now what do you get here? Denominator x आएगा, LCM कर लिया तो, then what do you get, x square minus 1 is equals to 3. So ये दोनों multiply कर देते, x square minus 1 equal to 3x होगा. So ये 3x इधर लेके आओ, x square minus 3x minus 1 is equals to 0. Now this is quadratic equation. इसका roots you can find out in any method. Here it is not asked you to do the only completing square method. I am using the formula method. Formula method use करना। A का प्लेस में क्या है 1, B का प्लेस में -3, C का प्लेस में -1. So x is equals to -b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So what do you get here? Minus of -3 plus or minus under root of -3 whole square minus 4 into ये वैल्यू क्या है यार 1, c वैल्यू क्या है -1 by 2 into a. So what do you get here? Minus of -3 means +3 plus or minus under root of 9 plus 4 by 2. 9 plus 4 value 13. So sir under root of 13 exist नहीं होगा ना, तो x is equals to 3 plus or minus under root of 13 by 2. You write like that over there. They are only the roots. One root is x is equals to 3 plus root 13 by 2, or x is equals to 3 minus root 13 by 2. Okay? Did you understand this one? Now let us go for the second problem. In this second problem, what is given? 1 by x plus 4 minus 1 by x minus 7 is equals to 11 by 30. This is also not looking like a quadratic equation, but it is a quadratic equation. It can be reduced to the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation को reduce कर सकते हैं. Okay? So what can you do here? इसको x plus 4, x minus 7. LCM दोनों को प्रोडक्ट करना है. ये x minus 7 इधर आएगा minus x plus 4 इधर आएगा is equals to 11 by 30. Now x minus 7 minus x minus 4 by दोनों को प्रोडक्ट कर लो. What do you get? X square minus 7x plus 4x minus 28 is equals to 11 by 30. इसको सिंप्लीफाई करो. ये plus x minus x will get cancelled. minus 14 आएगा by ये दो सिंप्लीफाई कर लेते हैं. x square minus minus 7x plus 4x is minus 3x minus 28 is equals to 11 by 30. Cross multiply करो. So do the cross multiplication. So what do you write here? 11 into this one. X square minus 3x minus 28 is equals to 30 into minus 14. So 14 मान ये 11 आया है ना, 7 and 11 आया. So 11 आ गया तो you are going to get 11 minus 7. So this 11 and 11 can be cancelled. Then what do you get here? X square minus 3x minus 28. Here minus 30 होगा. This minus 30 if you take this side plus 30 होगा is equals to 0. X square minus 3x plus 2 is equals to 0. You can do the any method here. Quadratic equation तो आ गया है. Roots find out करने के लिए factorization use कर सकते हैं. I will go for the factorization. Minus 2x minus x plus 2 is equals to 0. X common लिया तो x minus 2 हो जाएगा. Minus 1 common लिया तो x minus 2 हो जाएगा. X minus 2 into x minus 1 is equals to 0. X minus 2 is equals to 0. And x minus 1 is equals to 0. X is equals to 2 और x is equals to 1. समझ में आया? थोड़ा इधर आने के बाद फास्ट चला गया. Did you understand this one? Please tell me.
Sir, can you repeat once again?
See, here what I do here, this one दोनों को LCM कर लिया है. X plus 4 into x minus 7. X plus 4 into x minus 7. So when you do the LCM of these two, means इधर product कर लिया. ये इधर multiply करेगा, ये इधर multiply करेगा. So x minus 7 minus of x minus 4. X minus 7 minus x minus 4. तो ये x cancel होगा. 7 and 4 add कर लिया तो 11 हो जाएगा. Because minus 7 minus 4 is minus 7. So next ये दोनों को multiply कर दिया तो x square minus 7x plus 4x. X into x square, x into minus 7x plus 4 into x plus 4x, 7 into 4, 28 is equals to 11 by 30. Now what do you get? Minus 11 by x square minus 3x minus 28 is equals to 11 by 30. Now इसको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, 11 कैंसिल हो गया. x square minus 3x minus 28. Here minus 30 हो गए. Minus 30 राइट साइड लेके आएगा plus 30. x square minus 3x plus 2 is equals to 0. x square minus 3x plus 2 is equals to 3. 0 को factorize कर लिया. This is factorization method you learned in the first exercise. That's all. Okay. Now let us go for the
सर इसमें सर
yes.
इसमें हम लोग क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला भी तो लगा सकते हैं ना?
हाँ, इधर से हम क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला भी लगा सकते हैं. सी बेटा, क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला लगाए तो और थोड़ा लेंथी हो सकता है मेरे हिसाब से, बट मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स विल फील दैट फॉर्मूला ओनली इजी, बट योर विश, यू कैन डू एनीवे. फॉर्मूला आल्सो लगा सकते.
ओके सर.
So now the next topic is nature of the roots. So nature of the roots means actually without finding the roots find out करने से पहले how which type of the roots we will use. Type किस type of the roots आएगा वो we can find out, that you can do it. So that is called nature of the roots. So in under the nature of the roots, first thing is you need to know that what is meant by discriminant. Okay, discriminant. If ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0 and a not equals to 0 is quadratic equation, and its discriminant is denoted by either delta or d. Okay, discriminant is denoted by either delta or d. Then discriminant delta or d is equals to b square minus 4ac. This b square minus 4ac को discriminant बोलते हैं, and with the discriminant you can find out nature of the roots. If the two are real roots are there, if suppose if this discriminant is greater than 0 है, then the two distinct is nothing but different real roots हो जाएगा. If it is equals to 0, b square minus 4ac, then two same roots हो जाएगा, equal roots हो जाएगा. And if it is less than 0, there are no real roots. Three cases will exist. Okay, so what are this? The first case is if this delta discriminant b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then roots are real and distinct. Distinct is nothing but different. If it is greater than 0. Second case, delta, that is nothing but b square minus 4ac, value is equal to 0 हो गया, then roots are real and equal. Real and equal. So in case if this that discriminant, what do we call b square minus 4ac? b square minus 4ac को discriminant बोलते हैं. b square minus 4ac less than 0, then no real roots. There are no real roots. So 3 cases will be there. You need to remember these 3 cases very clearly. So based on that, you are going to have the next exercise. So very simple exercise is that in that 4.4 exercise, you are going to have the 2 problems. Remaining problems are all not there. Only 2 problems are there. The 2 problems I will explain to you very clearly. See that exercise 4.4. ये समझ में आया ना? सिंपल है. ये फाइंड आउट करना है. ए बी सी क्या है फाइंड आउट करना है, इसमें सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है, डिस्क्रिमिनेंट फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके, डिस्क्रिमिनेंट फाइंड आउट करके देन यू हैव टू से दैट व्हिच टाइप ऑफ द, इफ इट इज ग्रेटर देन 0 रियल एंड डिस्टिंक्ट, इट इज इक्वल्स टू 0 मींस रियल एंड इक्वल, लेस देन 0 मींस नो रियल रूट्स. दैट्स ऑल. सो द एक्सरसाइज 4.4, if you see that first problem, see what is given here, 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equals to 0. What is a here? 2. B क्या है? minus 3. C क्या है? 5. So you find out b square minus 4ac. So minus 3 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 5. So what do you get here? 9 minus 8 5 is 40. So what do you get here? Minus 31. Minus 31 less than 0 or greater than 0? Less than 0. Minus 31 is less than 0. Therefore, what type of roots? Then the roots are, therefore, roots are same, not real. There are no real roots. Real numbers nahi hai. वैसे remaining 2 problems are there. That also you can do it. Okay. Now second problem, if you see that, what is given here? Find the value of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have 2 equal roots. Equal roots कब होगा? Second problem मैं बोलता हूँ, first problem आप लोग कर सकते हैं in this. So what is the problem here? kx into x minus 2 plus 6 is equals to 0. kx into x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. First you write this in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So ax square means kx square minus 2kx plus 6 is equals to 0. In the place of a, what do you have here? a का place में क्या है? k. b place में क्या है? minus 2k. c place में क्या है? 6. This problem is very important. Very important this problem. Okay? Given that roots are equal. Okay? Given roots are real and equal. Real and equal roots. So real and equal roots means b square minus 4ac will be equal to 0. So what is b place में क्या है? इधर लिखो minus 2k whole square minus 4 into a का place में k है, c का place में k है, 6 है. So what do you get here? Minus 2k whole square means 4k square minus 24k is equals to 0. So from this 4k you can take the common. 4k you can take the common and k, k minus 4 is taken common na 6 आ जाएगा is equals to 0. Okay. So now here what do you get here? In this case k is equals to 0 or k minus 6 is equals to 0 आ जाएगा. 4k is equals to 0. This product of the two things is 0 means 4k equal to 0. 4k equal to 0 means k equal to 0 or k equal to 6. This is the problem. K equal to 0 or k equal to 6. अब समझ में आया? This is very important. in the examination point of view. With this, we are completed the quadratic equations, because as per the syllabus, no application oriented problems will be given in the examination. ये application oriented problem, but for your subject improvement, सब्जेक्ट इंप्रूव करना है तो ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करते तो आपको आ जाएगा. यू ट्राई एट होम एंड इफ यू गेट एनी डाउट यू कैन आस्क मी एनी टाइम. ओके
Okay, sir.
and complete the fourth chapter and submit. I am going to give you very simple fourth chapter में इसमें ज़्यादा problems नहीं है. Only you solve the problems what I told you, except the application oriented. ये length, breadth, present age, rectangular area, park, like that problems given, that problems no need to solve in your notebook. But if you are interested, you solve it, and if you are getting any doubt, you can ask that. In exercise number 4.3, there is a one problem, very interesting, 9th problem, 2 water taps wala problem hai. So that is also very interesting problem, but now as per the syllabus it is not there. Okay, so now the class is also completed and you can leave one by one.